Hundreds of people born with redhead met up in the Netherlands this weekend to celebrate being ginger hair at annual Redhead Days Festival in the southern town of Tilburg. Scottish Liam Hunter, 30, said that attending the 3-day festival made him feel better about himself. Like many redheads, Hunter said he was bullied as a child because of color of his hair. I don't feel alone anymore. I feel together, a part of something, he said, looking out over the festival grounds.
My name's Liam Hunter. I come from Scotland and this is my 7th Redhead Day. And I love it. The place here is absolutely fantastic. You'll never meet some kinder people, people that you'll be friends with for life. Every time I come here, I feel a bit better about myself. You see, you know that a lot of gingers do get bullied for having red hair. And it's a shame, it's a real shame. And I get it a lot in Scotland, which you would not believe. Weirdly enough, Scottish people like to treat each other a wee bit harder. Walking around this festival, seeing all these faces, my brothers, my sisters, it's just incredible because I don't feel alone anymore. I feel together, I feel a part of something that I felt like I was missing my whole life. And being here, I'm completed. I'm a little bit of a completed puzzle right now, you know?
According to organizers, some 5,000 redheads from different countries visited the festival, which offered workshops on painting, makeup, and skincare tips, photoshoots, music, and speed meet events.
Obviously red hair's a mutation and just so punchy. You only see it maybe, you see a group of people walking down the street and one of them will be ginger. You know, it's a very rare kind of thing to see. So, fortunately there would never be a blonde festival, or there might be a blonde festival somewhere, but Redhead Days, I think everybody has a similar experience. Lots of people were either bullied, a lot of people just don't have confidence issues. There's a lot of things that actually bring people together here, that we have so much in common, even though we're not even from the same country, same continent.
Redheads make up between 1 and 2% of the world's population, with a higher frequency of between 2 and 6% in people with Northern and Northwestern European ancestry. The Dutch festival started by accident after organizer and amateur printer Bart Rovenhorst placed an ad in a regional newspaper in 2015 for 15 people with red hair, and 150 people responded.
Ja, ik vind het gewoon ontzettend leuk om te doen. Ik vind het prachtig al dat rode haar. En ik fotografeer meestal in zwart-wit, maar juist op dit soort dagen moet het natuurlijk in kleur. Ja, en ik vind het fantastisch. Ik heb mijn vrouw die hier in de organisatie werkt, ook een grote bos rood haar. Dus ja, ik ben er dol op. Dus ik vind het erg leuk om dat te fotograferen.
I just wanted to be around a lot of redheads. My family, it's like not that many redheads. My parents, they don't have redhead. My sister doesn't have redhead. It's only me. So it was like, I'm gonna go there. I wanna experience it.
The big motivation was just to see more people like us and have a sense of community as a redhead, because it can feel isolating when you don't see a lot of people like you. And here, it's just so exciting to see everyone with red hair, no matter the shade of color, come together and celebrate what has made us unique in our own homes and countries.
Rovenhorst, not a redhead himself, decided to take a group picture with everyone who got in touch. That gathering was such a success and got so much attention that the organizers decided to make it an annual event.